Schuylkill County.
Hooty-hoo!
Yeah,
Hooty-hoo!
please, by all means, if anyone has some magical hooty-hoo powers, that now is the time.
Unfortunately, Scott, I don't think any amount of hooty-hooing is going to scare away the storm that's on the way.
I didn't know it was a verb, but I guess it is, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I just turned it into one.
There you go.
Hooty-hooing here in the backyard to keep that storm down towards our south. I think it's going to afflict our southern tier and bring a substantial amount of snowfall, at least to the Poconos. Here in our area, a general 1 to 3, but there's the chance for more if the system takes a more northerly track, and some of the models are hinting at that potential. I want to show you first, I talked about this before the break, the ice jam threat out in central Pennsylvania. This came in from the Clinton County Department of Emergency Services, and they're monitoring this situation out near Renova. This is from Chapman Township on the Susquehanna River, in Bald Eagle Township as well, along the Renova Road. And this could be a concern out in central PA as the ice continues to melt on the west branches of the Susquehanna, and these patches of ice float downstream and kind of jam up and bottleneck. So could be some localized flooding out in central Pennsylvania. Right now that doesn't look like a threat here on the Susquehanna River in eastern Pennsylvania, but I'll be sure to let you know if I see any signs of this. I got to thank the Clinton County Department of Emergency Services for sending us this footage and these pictures of the ice jam out in Clinton County near Renova. All right, we have the weather impact alert in effect for Sunday into Monday. Slippery roads are a given, and it could be enough snow to shovel and plow, especially in these highlighted blue sections. So we're talking Schuylkill, Carbon, and Monroe counties where the snow would last for the longest period of time, and also see the heaviest snow for that duration. So just prepare yourself. Sunday into Monday could be dicey, even outside of the bounds of that blue, if that system moves a little bit towards the north and west. Right now, winter storm watch is in effect from the Cape all the way down to Baltimore, even into Virginia. Philadelphia, New York, expected to see the brunt of this system as the low pressure system passes by. We'll probably see over a half foot for the I-95 corridor, but some of that could inch its way into our southern tier. So again, be prepared for the potential for more snow than what the forecast gives for right now in case there is an adjustment to that track. Tonight, we've got some light rain and snow showers. This is a live view from Honesdale. We've got those low-hanging clouds and raindrops on the lens. 37 is where we're at here in our backyard. Those visibilities down in Mount Pocono and Lehighton to less than 5 miles. So that could be a problem if you're planning on driving tonight in parts of the Poconos. Temperatures today into the 40s for the valleys. We got up to 41 in Scranton, 43 for Williamsport. Another day above average. This makes it a full week long of temperatures at or above average. That's a stretch we like to see to help melt a lot of the snow away. Temperatures still above freezing for the valleys and into the 40s for the Susquehanna Valley. But look at what we're at in northern Wayne County, 30 degrees. So there could be some patches of black ice and some snowflakes flying through the skies. Here in our backyard, it should be rain all night. No risk for black ice here in Scranton because temperatures will be above that freezing mark. But further north on the ridge tops and hilltops could be a chance for some slick spots. Some light snow showers on 81. Headed up into New York State on 380, headed into New Jersey, same for 80 and 84, headed into the Hudson Valley. So just watch out if you're traveling those roads tonight. As far as the low that's going to bring us the snow, that's out near Colorado, and that's going to start to take shape as we head into this weekend. Here's what the GFS is forecasting. This low pressure system tracking very close to the coast, bringing that swath of snow to New Jersey, down through Delaware, into Virginia, but some of that heavier banding occurring over our southern tier, and then it doesn't pull away until Monday afternoon. The European model has this impulse of moisture coming out of Canada, fusing with the coastal low, which is a little bit further off towards the east, and brings that swath of snow right to the I-95 corridor and misses us for the most part. We think it'll be a mixture of these two models. So I think that there will be the chance for that banding in our southern tier, but if you live maybe west of 81, it'll likely be 1 to 3 inches of snow. As far as the forecast now, we'll be sure to let you know if any changes to the track. Tomorrow it'll be a cloudy one with some flurries, and then the snow starts on Sunday as we head into the afternoon hours. It'll be scattered in nature, a lot of dry slots in there, so that'll help to keep the snowfall totals down, but this banding could occur there in our southern tier near Stroudsburg and Mount Pocono. That's where we can see 3, 4, 5, if not 6 inches. The rest of us widespread 1 to 3. As of right now, we'll be sure to keep you updated on the track. We have the weather impact alert, Scott, in effect for Sunday night and Monday morning. Any snow that does fall will stick around for Tuesday. It'll be a little bit colder after the low pressure system passes. But Wednesday and Thursday, we're back up into the 40s, and that'll help to melt away any of that snow that does fall. Again, we'll have more updates this whole weekend if any changes to that track causes more or less snowfall in our region.
You have a great weekend.
You too, Scott.
Thank you, Jeremy.